Welcome to The Garden, a channel on practical solutions for turning data into information. In our previous video, we used a table object to merge two data tables in Power Query. This video shows another data task made easier with a table object. Let's take a closer look at our data table and the problem we need to resolve. Our data table contains information on NBA players, including the point scored against opposing teams, the opposing team's name, and defensive ranking. However, there are records in our dataset with missing values in the point per game column. A missing value in our dataset indicates a game where a player was inactive. To clean our data, we will use a table object to remove these records from our data table. As you begin typing the method name, a helpful window will appear displaying a list of methods that can be used with the selected object. Let's pick the SelectRows method. Again, Power Query makes our life easier by clearly outlining the arguments required for the method. In our solution, the first argument will be the joint table element, which represents a table. And the second argument will be a condition that specifies which record to select in the resulting table. Our condition starts with a special keyword each, and it will test each line of data in our table. We use square brackets to specify the column on which to apply our condition. Only record that meets our condition, which is the presence of a value in the point column, will be included in the resulting table. All other records will be excluded from our table. It's time to check the resulting table. The final table includes only data lines where the point column has a value, resulting in a table of active player only. Thank you for watching this video. Join the community for more content on practical solutions for turning data into information.